Hi, my name is Christy Smith. I'm a kindy teacher for 4 to 5-year-olds in Long Daycare. Today's activity will be designed for the age group of 4 to 5-year-olds and will be supported by the Early Years Learning Framework and will be set up to assist in the development of numeracy and mathematical skills through play. The chosen mathematic concept for today's activity will be problem solving and has been identified and supported in the Early Years Learning Framework as outcome 4.2. Children develop a range of skills and processes such as problem solving, inquiry, experimentation, hypothesizing, researching and investigating as they begin to apply a wide variety of thinking strategies to engage with situations and solve problems and adapt these strategies to new situations. And outcome 5.4, children begin to understand how symbols and pattern systems work. This is evident when children can begin to recognize patterns and relationships and the connections between them. Educators will support this through a play-based hands-on learning experience using the wooden construction blocks. Construction blocks provide children with many open-ended learning opportunities. Through block play, one of the skills that children develop is an understanding of numeracy and mathematical skills. Today's activity, the educator will provide an open-ended opportunity through play with the wooden construction blocks. It will be designed to enhance the children's mathematical and numeric skills as they begin to explore the concept of problem solving. Through block play, children will develop problem-solving skills as the educator will encourage the children to use visual images of cities that have been laminated and hung on the wall for the children to reconstruct. As the children begin to build with the blocks, the educator will promote numeric language by asking a range of questions such as what shape block will be required, what size will you need next, where will you place this block. The children will be encouraged to work collaboratively as they problem solve, experiment, investigate and manipulate whilst building an understanding of how patterns and symbols work as the children determine the appropriate size, shape and placement of each of the blocks that would be required for the set task. Once the children have reconstructed the buildings, the educator will ask open-ended questions about the reconstruction, which will help further promote the use of mathematical and numeric language, whilst providing children with an opportunity to self-reflect their work. Over the years, there have been many theories in regard to how children learn best. It has been suggested that play and real-life experiences will assist in the development of math and numeracy skills. As cited in children's mathematical thinking in primary years, when it comes to teaching maths to children, they've been viewed as constructivist learners, which is where children need to be actively engaged in constructing their own knowledge from their personal experiences. Jean Piaget supports this and believes that children are active constructors of their own understandings through processes he named assimilation and accommodation. Piaget believes children will develop an understanding and acquire knowledge if they are able to interact, see, listen, and touch things to help make sense of their experiences by relating to new phenomena to those they already know. As suggested in the Early Years Learning Framework, children develop math and numeracy skills best through play, with hands-on, real-life experiences. Lester and Russell, as cited in Kennedy and Bartlett, suggest that play assists in fostering creativity of thought, imagination, strategies for problem solving, and the development of divergent thinking ability. As cited in Basic Theories and Principles of Child Development, Lev Vygotsky suggests that children learn actively with hands-on experiences which have been scaffolded for them from a more knowledgeable other. This is evident as the Early Years Learning Framework supports both theories and states that children should be provided with real-life experiences, which is play-based, and suggests that educators should provide intentional, well-thought-out play spaces with opportunities for learning through play. Construction blocks are supportive of the development of mathematics and numeracy skills as it provides children with many open-ended learning opportunities. It has been suggested in an article, Help Your Child Develop Early Math Skills, that block play develops mathematics and numeracy skills through play as it provides children with opportunities to cooperate, take turns, problem solve and plan. It helps develop spatial awareness, estimation skills and representation and measurement, as cited in an article from Phelps and Stannard, supports this and suggests that children begin to develop skills such as selecting blocks of different sizes and shape comparison. Block play involves measuring lengths, widths, and heights, if only by eye, and develops a child's ability to mentally visualize relationships. Such manipulations are similar to those used in geometry and algebra during the child's later school years.